A new trend is spreading far beyond the gaming community. Cars are launching off massive ramps, sports cars are racing through cities as if they're flying. Everything looks exactly like a cinematic GTA cutscene, yet none of it is actual gameplay. These clips are rapidly going viral across short-form platforms because viewers can't immediately tell whether they're watching real footage or something entirely AI-generated. In today's video, I'll show you how to create these action-packed car challenge videos yourself without using a game engine or any 3D software. All you need is a few AI tools working together. We'll break the entire workflow into 3 simple stages. Planning the challenge. Visualizing each scene. Bringing the still images to life with animation. This tutorial is going to be especially interesting because, as far as I know, no one has explained this exact workflow before. So let's first take a look at a competitor's channel. The channel is called Cars vs. Shorts. They consistently publish this style of content in different variations. As you can see, their videos perform very well on YouTube and regularly receive thousands of views. If we check their popular videos section, we'll notice that several videos have reached hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. Each video captures viewers' attention so effectively that the views continue growing day after day instead of stopping after the initial upload. If we look at the channel's estimated earnings, they're making around $200 per month. However, most of their content is uploaded as YouTube Shorts. While Shorts often receive massive view counts, they generally generate lower revenue. In this tutorial, I'll teach you a different approach, one that may receive fewer views but has much higher earning potential. If you follow this tutorial until the end, you'll understand exactly how to create content with greater monetization opportunities. So let's jump right in. As always, I've prepared a professionally designed master template prompt, which you'll find in the pinned comment below the video. This prompt is highly detailed and specifically built to generate professional-looking cinematic scenes. Copy the entire prompt. You can simply press Ctrl+A to select everything and copy it. Now open Claude. For today's tutorial, I'm using Claude, although you can also use Gemini, ChatGPT, or any other AI assistant. Paste the prompt into the chat and click Generate. The prompt is designed to instantly generate 10 unique car challenge concepts, each with a completely different cinematic setup. If you don't like the first 10 ideas, simply type more, and Claude will generate 10 additional concepts. Choose your favorite concept. For this tutorial, I'll select concept number 5. Copy the entire concept, paste it into the chat box, and click Generate. Claude will now generate another list containing different car models, vehicle names, and challenge variations. Choose the concept you like most, copy it, paste it into the chat, and click Generate once again. After submitting your selection, Claude will prepare 3 things: a car prompt, an image prompt, a motion prompt. If you'd like additional scenes, simply type more, and Claude will continue generating more prompts. Now let's turn those prompts into visuals. Open Google Flow and create a new project. Switch from video mode to image mode. Set the output ratio to 1:1 and choose Nano Banana 2 as your model. Copy the car image prompt from Claude and paste it into Google Flow. Then click Generate. Within a few moments, Google Flow will create a highly cinematic image with realistic camera angles, lighting, and action. This image will become the reference image for the next stage, so save it carefully. Return to Claude and copy the next image prompt. Back in Google Flow, drag the previously generated image into the project as a reference image. Paste the new prompt and click Generate. Within a few seconds, another perfectly matching scene will appear. Repeat this process until all your images have been generated. Now it's time to animate them. Everything is now ready. Copy the first motion prompt from Claude. In Google Flow, select the first generated image. Click the 3-dot menu. Choose Animate, paste the copied motion prompt, and click Generate. Repeat the exact same process for the remaining images. As you can see, all 3 images have now been successfully animated. Let's take a look at the final result. Once you've created your first video, everything else is simply repetition. To make the process even clearer, let's repeat the workflow from the beginning. Go back to Claude. Choose another title from the list generated earlier. Paste it into the chat and click Generate. Claude will again generate 10 different vehicle ideas and car models. Select your favorite one, copy it, paste it back into the chat, and click Generate. Claude will then generate a car prompt. Several image prompts, several motion prompts. Copy the car prompt and head back to Google Flow. Switch to image mode. Leave all the other settings exactly as they are. Paste the prompt into the box and click Generate. Within a few seconds, a new cinematic reference image will be created. Generate the remaining images one by one. Once all the images are finished, move on to the animation stage. Click the first image, copy the motion prompt from Claude, paste it into the animation window and click Generate. Repeat the same process for every remaining image. After a short wait, your final cinematic car challenge video will be ready. Let's watch the final result one more time. Final thoughts. That's all for today's tutorial. You've now seen exactly how to create cinematic car challenge videos using nothing more than a few completely free AI tools. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back in the next video with another exciting AI workflow.